Hi everyone. So I wanted to talk to you about a common error that I'm seeing as I'm marking the DDAT 002 final assignments, and that's in heading structures. So the first part, so far everyone has done really well, is identifying the different structures for your headings. So right now, everything, as you can see when I click on the titles, everything is considered normal text. There are no heading structures assigned to these titles. Another thing I want to show you, if I click on this icon right here, which is actually called a pilcrow, if I click on that, you can also see where you have hard returns in your document. Okay, so this right here, all right, right here. And we also want to get rid of those. We don't want to have those hard returns in our document. So I'm going to delete those. And I'm just going to turn it off now. Okay, so this here is going to be H1, right? Heading 1. So I select that, heading 1. This is going to be an H2, heading 2. This is actually going to be an H3 because it's a subtitle under the broader category of history. H3, and that's also an H3. Okay? So up to this point, everyone so far has done this correctly. The part where I've seen the error is when you want to visually format the titles. So what a lot of people have been doing is after they assign the structure, then they go in and use direct formatting to change the title structures. Sorry, to change the visual elements or the style of the titles. And we don't want to do that. The way that we want to change how the title actually looks is by using these structures up here. This is also where we can add the space before and after our titles, because right now I think I want a little bit more space here. Okay, so I will show you how to do that. So right now I want, my title is too small, okay, compared to my H1 should be bigger than my H2. So what I do is I right click on the H1 style, the heading 1 style, or sorry, the heading 1 structure, and then I click on modify. This pane opens up, and here I can decide exactly how I want to style my heading 1 structure. So let's say I want to make it blue, maybe I want to make it 20-point font, and as far as, and you'll see this will give you a little preview here in this box, and I'm going to press OK, right? And that is now updated in my document with whatever I decided, however I decided to style my heading 1 structure. Let's do the same for the H3. So this one here is an H3, and this one here is an H3. So I'm going to right click on heading 3 structure. I click on modify. And again, I'm going to choose however I would like to style this. So just just for demonstration's sake, I will choose a different color. Let's say I want to make them purple. I want to bold it. Let's say I want to make it 14 point. If I want to add space before or after, right? I don't want to put a hard return there. So the way that I do that is I go down here to this corner, I click on this chevron, and I go to paragraph. Another pane opens up, and here I can define, where it says spacing, how many points I want to go before and after my title. So I'm going to put, let's say, 30 points before, and let's say, yeah, 6 points after. Okay, so I'm going to press OK. And now, before I press OK, what's going to happen when I press OK is you will see that these two titles will now update with this new styling that I've given my heading 3 structure. Okay, so that is how we want to visually format our structures. And I know that I have done it the correct way, because what I see here should match what I see up here. Okay, same with the heading 1 right here, looks the same. I haven't done this one yet, but well, actually it has taken over what was already in the document. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. We never want to do direct formatting in our Word document. Any stylings we want to apply to our heading structures, we do in the actual structure. That's it. Thank you.